Today's video is regarding Canon Pixma MG3620 printer. I'm going to show you how to do the setup of your printer using Windows 10 laptop. So we are going to do a Wi-Fi setup, a wireless setup. You need a home or office Wi-Fi network for that. Now first step is to switch on the printer and we have to enter the printer into the setup mode. So go to the control panel here. Press the stop button once. Press and hold the wireless button. Once the power button starts to flash, release the button, press the color button once and then wireless button once again. You will see the blue light starts to flash. This means your printer has entered into the setup mode. And next thing is to go to your Windows 10 laptop or computer. So in this screen we have to open the Google, and in your internet browser you have to type in Canon IJ setup. Once you click on it, you will see Canon official manuals website. So click on it. Here we can click on the setup icon. Type the model number of your printer, that is MG3620, and click on the go button. We have to download the drivers from here, so click on the download button. Open the file. Click on the start setup. Follow all the steps until the end. Select your country, US or Canada. Click on next. Agree with the terms and conditions. Select wireless LAN connection. Click on the next. And select connect via wireless router. So we have a Wi-Fi network at home. Click next. You will get a message connection is completed, so your printer is connected. So click on next. So it will ask you to do the test print in the next screen. So click on the execute button and you will see this print here. So this is the test print. It says everything is okay. So we go click on next. If you want, you can skip that step as well. Now your setup is complete, so click on next again. If you want, you can install all the softwares you want so that you can use it for your purpose. Otherwise, you can simply uncheck the boxes and click on the next button and click on the exit button as you have finished the installation. Now next thing is how to do the wireless printing and scanning once you install your printer. For printing, simply you have to open any PDF you have. For example, this one, PDF or any file you want to print. And here you have to click on the print icon. Select your printer, as you can see MG3600 series printer, and click on the print button. And wait for the printer. So this way we can do the printing. I'll show you how to do the scanning. Click on the setting icon in your laptop. Click on the devices. Click on printers and scanners. You will see your printer is available here. Now next thing is to select your printer. Click on the manage button. On the next screen, you will see your printer again. Click this drop down box. Select scanner MG3620 series and click on the open scanner. Next thing is to place a document for the scanning. So place any document you want to scan. Document facing downwards here, and on your screen you can start the scanning. Before that you can just select the file type, like we want a JPEG. So click on it, click on the scan icon, it will start the scanning. Once your scan is done, click on the view icon and it will show up the scan here. From here you can save it, or if you want you can share it. Overall I can say it's very easy to set up this printer with Windows 10 laptop or computer using your home or office Wi-Fi network, and once it is done you can use it wirelessly for printing and scanning from anywhere from your home. Thanks for watching.